In this video, I will show you how to add your logo to your Shopify store. So to do this, you want to go and click on Online Store right here. And from here, you want to click on Customize. So then you can actually customize your store. Now from here in the top left, you will usually get to these sections, but you want to go to the gear icon that is Theme Settings and just click on that. Now here the option all the way at the top is the logo, so click on that one. Now here click Select Image for the logo. Now here, if you already have an image, you can just select it. If you don't, click Add Images, and then you can upload them from your device. And then just select it and click on Done. So now you will see this will then be your logo, and you can actually see it in your store as well. Now one more thing you can do is the favicon, which is what you see in the top left right here when you are in a certain tab. So here you could select the same image as well, and then that should also change when you click Save right there. Now you can also choose the width of your logo. So if you want to update that, you can see it becomes a lot bigger. Now I don't think that looks good. I'll make it a bit smaller to 70. So then click Save. So now you have added your own logo to your Shopify store. You can see it also works on mobile, full screen. You can just see what it looks like. So that's how to add your logo in your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.